till today we tested 2924 sample and total positive 432. So out of that active 204, 228 is recovered, 204 active cases, 72 home isolation. So public is giving preference to home isolations. We are having the team, they are visiting the home and they are inspecting home, and we are permitting home isolations. Home isolation teams, I made separate team. Then junior college and arts college lecturers are there. Then with the help of the doctor, nodal officer, and ASHA ANM, they are monitoring those persons. We are having set up the control room for especially home isolation. So those persons are home isolation. Regularly we are monitoring, because any person having any serious issue, any problem, immediately can be bring to hospital. Now, one is the good news is that last 3 result, our positive percentage is decreased. See, today 78% result came, out of that 18 positive. Day before yesterday 150 plus persons result came 44. Before that out of 82 16, and now 220% approximately result is waiting. We'll see. But this is the good thing that public is aware, they are following the protocol, keeping distancing and using mask, and numbers are decreasing. This is very good sign. But bad news is that total death 8 or 9. Today also one more, that 85-year-old lady result came positive. This is the 9th death. Maximum, not only maximum, all are 75 and 80 plus except yesterday. Yesterday death, I would like to say that this is the first mistake made by the family members. That person had problem before 5 days, no one informed to anyone. Our ASHA ANM regularly visited the home also, they ignored and didn't come to hospital also. I don't know. Then after that directly they went to Kakinada, some private hospital. Private hospital, they tested with antigen kit and CT scan also, and they found that he is positive, and they advised immediately admit. Neither they admitted there nor here, they directly taken person to home. After that, afternoon, he was serious condition, then they called hospital. Then we sent ambulance. Ambulance also could not reach till home because of that congested road. For that time also they didn't bring person to till the ambulance reached. Finally, lot of delay was there. 9 person came to hospital. It was the last stage, and we could not do anything. He expired. No doubt he had some kidney problem and other issue also, but maybe chances there could have been saved before 3 days reported properly. So my request to public, please, any person is having problem, immediately you approach hospital. Problem means this is the simple basic things. First fever, then you are having body pain. Third problem, cough, cold and breathing. See, any 2 symptom is there, you can 100% doubt. And our ASHA ANM in the field, doctors also in field, you approach anyone or come to hospital also. Second option, come to OPD, immediately we are taking care. So this type, don't do careless. See, I was very much upset yesterday case because he was 47 or 48 year old something. could have been saved if suppose reported before 3-4 days. So don't delay. My personal request, any person is having any problem related to COVID symptom, immediately you call the control room or come to hospital or inform your ASHA, ANM, so that can be treated immediately. After suppose 2 days also, 3 days also, we are not able to test also will be available. So those things very much useful in future. And facility wise, we are having already 500 beds facility available at present. Only occupancy is 120 only, because persons are going home isolation, and now public is slowly is coming away from the fear. They are taking care their family members. But don't be careless. My personal request, immediately you inform the control room or hospital if any type problem is there, because one life itself is very important. So my humble request to everybody, please don't delay. If someone is having symptom, and don't hide it. Then now all systems are established properly, so no need to be worry. Even one person earlier we referred Kakinada and brought back him, and he is okay now. It's a very good news that with the help of the telemedicines, that person is recovered and he is normal. Even things are coming in our control, so no problem. Next thing I am going to implement now, that reverse quarantine. Reverse quarantine means those persons are 65 plus to be quarantined at home. Those are healthy persons and without any symptom, normal, but old age persons to be quarantined strictly home. I will start this implementation tomorrow onwards. We will preparing the stickers. So those old age persons, please, my personal request, don't come out. At least 1 month is a serious condition in our East Godavari, Andhra and Janam. You should be inside the home. Your safety is very important, because you see the 9 death, maximum is old age person only. So don't take risk. So reverse quarantining we are starting. Remaining things are okay, no problem, everything is under control. No need to panic, but don't delay. If anyone is having symptom, immediately come to the hospital, please. Thank you.
Lockdown.
I would like to say thank you to the public. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday they supported, and our lockdown is very much successful. Tomorrow onwards is as usual, morning 6 to 8. Morning 6 to evening, Monday, Saturday was 8. Okay, 6 to 8 will be the market open. We will see next 2 days how we respond. I am requesting public, you come outside whenever you are having the necessary work. Unnecessary don't come. So tomorrow 6 to 8 will be there, and day after tomorrow also 6 to 8. If we will feel any serious issue or any more cases is coming, then we will think about the lockdown. Otherwise we will continue full day open, because I want to minimize the crowd. So that is the reason we are keeping full day open, so that public will won't come at a time. Anyway, next lockdown will take decision accordingly if required. But now cases are decreasing, which is very good sign and very good news for Yanam. Last 3 result definitely 10 to 15%. Earlier one day it reached 60% also. So we will continue 6 to 8 market tomorrow onwards. Thank you.